Solving a radical equation. Today's question: root over x square minus 6x plus 9 minus root x square minus 6x plus 6 equals to 1. So first we have to transfer one root to other side. How? Root over x square minus 6x plus 9. We are adding both sides. Root x square minus 6x plus 6. It means 1 plus root x square minus 6x plus 6. Now we are squaring both sides. It means x square minus 6x plus 9 root over whole square, and here is also 1 plus root x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square. Now the root will be out, so x square minus 6x plus 9, and here is a, as per a plus b whole square rule, 1 square plus 2 times 1 times root x square minus 6x plus 6, and then plus root over x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square. Then here is x square minus 6x plus 9 equal, here is a 1, then 2 times root over x square minus 6x plus 6 plus root x square minus 6x plus 6 whole square. It means x square minus 6x plus 6. Now we are going to transfer something each side to another side. Like here we just keep this one side, like 2 root x square minus 6x plus 6 equal, so this one will be go outside, so x square minus 6x plus 9, now minus x square plus 6x minus 6, and this one become minus 1. Now 2 root x square minus 6x plus 6, and here x square minus x square out, minus 6x plus 6x out, 9 and minus 6 minus 1, it means minus 6 and minus 1, it will be minus 7. So here is only 2. Now we are dividing both sides by 2, so we will get only root x square minus 6x plus 6 equals to 1. Now we are squaring both sides, so it will be x square minus 6x plus 6, and then this one become minus 1, so equals to 0. Finally x square minus 6x, 6 minus 1 is a 5 plus 5 equals to 0. Now this one we can do in here. Here is x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. This one we can write, if we factorize by middle term factor, it will be x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 equals to 0. How? Because 1 times 5 is a 5 and 5 plus 1 is a 6. Now we can take common x, so here is a x minus 5 and minus 1 common, here is x minus 5 equals to 0. So here is a x minus 5 and times x minus 1 equals to 0. So either it will be x minus 5 equals to 0, that means x equals to 5, and or x minus 1 equals to 0, and finally x equals to 1. But our math is not complete. We have to verify this one, that the answer is okay or not. So this one we will try to verify next page. We get x equals to 5 and 1, right? So verify how? Once x equals to 5, so here root 5 square minus 6 times 5 plus 9 minus root over, here is a 5 square minus 6 times 5 plus 6, and we have to make this one 1. Another one, once x equals to 1, that time also same thing, we have to do 1 square minus 6 times 1 plus 9 minus a root over 1 square minus 6 times 1 plus 6. Here we have to also find out, it will be 1. Now look, 5 square, it means 25, and here is a minus 30 and plus 9 minus 25 minus 30 plus 6. So 25 plus 9, it will be 34, right? 34 minus 30 root over minus, here is 25 plus 6, it will be 31 minus 30, and then 34 minus 30, it will be 4 root over 4 minus, here is a 31 minus 30, it will be 1. So root over 4 means 2 and minus 1, and the answer is 1. Look, here is 1. It means x equals to 5 is correct. Next one, here 1 square means 1, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 9, here is a root over minus 1 minus 6 plus 6. Then 1 plus 9 is a 10, 10 minus 4 is a 4 root over 4 minus 6 plus 1 is a 7 minus 6 root over. So root 4 means 2 minus 7 minus 1 is a 1, and finally 2 minus 1 is a 1. So we can say this one also correct. So ultimately our answer is 5 and 1. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. This video I am trying to solve a radical equation which is very much important for any kinds of competitive examination around the world. So please subscribe my channel, and I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.